Hi, my name is Jesse Rodriguez with CreditCEO. Thank you for coming to our YouTube channel. I just wanted to show you why you're here and why I'm the one that you could potentially listen to. So, first off, I've been helping people with their credit for over 20 years. I'm the founder of CreditCEO, and we Google. This is our website, CreditCEO.com. Feel free to visit it at any time. And these are some of the transformations that our students have received.
My credit score went from a 530 to a 770.
It was from a 595 to a 720.
My credit's gone up at least 50 points, I would say.
Oh, that now I do have excellent credit as a result of working with Jesse.
He is honest and he has integrity.
I am now able to improve my credit score.
You are teaching me components of the credit scores that I didn't know.
More travel, more fun, more time with my family.
Jesse is a man of integrity.
And they have brought my scores up to that 720 mark. Now I'm eligible for a mortgage.
That my dream in life has finally come true. All I ever wanted was to own a home in my life. That was my goal. I've met it.
Now, that could be you. And why should you listen to me? Because I've been in your position before, and this is my current credit score as of just a few days ago, 822, 811, and 821. Also, CreditCEO is registered with the Better Business Bureau. We're not accredited, so we pay them no money out of pocket, and they hate credit repair companies. But because of our lack of complaints and how good of a job we do for people, we are A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. I am the author of the Credit Blueprint and the author of Business Credit Simplified. I have helped thousands of people improve their credit. And not only that, I have taken severe and serious legal action against one of the credit bureaus and against a debt collector. I was the lead plaintiff in a lawsuit where the debt collector settled for $2.2 million. That was a class action lawsuit, so I did not receive anywhere near that amount, but the win for me was getting the settlement, getting this thing deleted off my credit, and getting them a huge slap on the wrist and lots of negative publicity. Not to mention, my attorneys made about $766,000, paid for by the debt collector. So I love hitting them in the pocket. Excited you're here. And if you would like to know more about how I can help with your credit, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you have questions or comments, go ahead and ask them below.